Getche Manado. It's me, NANABOOZHOO. Dagawi Dukawishin. Please help me. Dagawi Dukawishin. Ando Minowe Nungum. Please help me to speak well today. I want to talk about the clans and, I don't want to trail off and talk about dumb stuff. Help me to make it funny and informative or educational or whatever. Miigwech Bizendawiyeg. Thank you for listening. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Today, I'd like to talk about clans. In the Anishinaabe way, within our tribe, there are 7 clans. And today I'm just going to talk about what the clans are and what the Ojibwe words for those clans are, if you don't mind. So the Ojibwe word for clan is Dodeam clan. And so you might say Wawashigeshi Nindodeam, Deer clan I'm from, or whatever. So a clan is basically like the spiritual job that gets passed down. And in our way, it's one of those things that would sort of signify what your purpose might be. And they also say, just so you know, it's important to learn what your clan is. Because you know how you're not supposed to marry your cousin? Well, you're also not supposed to marry somebody within your clan. It's good to marry somebody from a different clan. So today, these are the 7 clans of the Anishinaabe, in no particular order. So, to start with, we'll say there are 7 clans: the crane, the loon, the bear, the fish, the marten, the deer, and the bird. So crane, Ajijak Nindodam, or Ajijak Dodam. The bird clan, or the crane clan, Ajijak crane. And cranes are typically leaders. If you're from the crane clan, there's a good chance you probably have a chief or something in your ancestry. And another clan that would have a lot of chiefs that were leaders was the Loon clan. Because I think you got to be kind of loony to want to be a leader. But the Loon, Mong, is the loon and the crane are the leaders of the community. And then that brings us the bear clan, Makwa Dodam, Makwa. And bears are known to be the protectors and the healers. They say bears protect the people. They patrol the perimeter. And bears know the good medicines in the woods. So if your clan is bear, you probably have some spiritual gifts of understanding how to heal people with medicines. Or there's a good chance you probably have a lot of cops in your family. A lot of bear clan people end up being police officers. They're the protectors of the people. And then there's the fish clan, Giku. In Minnesota, a lot of people are bullhead, Awasasi. Bullheads are those little black fish, kind of like a catfish. But the fish clan, these are typically the intellectuals. You know, a lot of fish clan people become teachers. And they're sometimes really good speakers. You know, they like to educate people. And sometimes they're really eloquent. You know, I come from the fish clan. And so I like to run off at the mouth. So fish, Giku Kigu Dodam is Fish Clan. And then there's the Martin. Shashawani Bisaints. Shashawani Bisaints. Martin. And Martins are warriors. These are the guys who would go off to war. And they're the Ogichida. Warriors. They fight the battles. And I've said this before. You know, we really, we've kind of watered down the meaning of warriors. People say, oh, you're a warrior. You know, oh, you went to college. You're a real warrior. But, you know, the Martins are the warrior clan. And then that brings us to the deer clan, Wawashigeshi, or Wawashigeshi Wug, Dodam, and deer clan. These guys were the poets and the peacemakers. The deer have big hearts, and you know, they're really good with words. And sometimes, you know, in the modern day, deer clan people will become singers and rappers and artists and that. So that's Wawashigeshi Dodam, deer clan. And finally, the bird clan, Benashin, bird clan, Benashin Dodam. And these are the spiritual people. So you might be from like the eagle clan, Megazi Nandodam. Lots of these guys are medicine men, you know, and medicine women. Mushkiki Winini and Mushkiki Ikwe. And so, and one more time, Crane, Ajijak, and Loon, Mong are leaders. The bear, Makwa, are protectors and healers. Fish, Kiku, are the intellectuals and the... oh, and they're also like the mediators. They're the kind of people who, you know, you'd be having a fight with your brother or something. And so they might come in and help talk to the both of you to settle down and get along. And the marten are the warriors, the Ogichida. The deer are poets and peacemakers. And the birds, Benashin, are spiritual people. Now, that's not to say if you're not part of this clan, you can't be spiritual or a leader or whatever. But these are just sort of, you know, how the people would sort of separate. And you might kind of inherit certain responsibilities. What a lot of people find, they go, oh, hoa, I can't believe it. I'm from a leader clan. I guess that's kind of explains something about my personality. I always wondered why I was so bossy. Nah. So this has been your Ojibwe lesson of the day. I hope I explained it, you know, halfway good. Thank you, Great Spirit. And I don't know, what do you think? Leave a comment. Are you part of a clan? If you're wondering what your clan is, you gotta talk to your elders. You know, lots of times people will write me and be like, hey, how can I find out what my clan is? And it's like, well, I'm not your grandpa. Go talk to your grandpa. He knows. So, this has been your Ojibwe language lesson of the day. I hope it was something or other. I don't know, I just felt like I was supposed to talk about clans today. And there's so much to it, I don't think I did it justice, but whatever. Anyway, miigwech kanawabieg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minoa, Owa.